Good evening, all. It is Bobby Two Pops Breaks. On Wednesday, it is October the 26th, and we are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. We randomed up our 39 remaining box numbers. We got box number 40, just getting it in my winner stock there. We did random team sales on your left. We have already randomized both teams and customers, alphabetized everybody. Did give you all a chance to trade. Oh man. No offers though, so here we go. Flex this time. We're pulling damn flexes like crazy there, guys, so knew we had to get some fillers along the line. Well, oh, damn it. Bam! Sorry about the camera there. But going to be a giant hit, guys. Not a monster, but far from a bad hit, especially with how he's playing again this year, man. I gotta admit, he's really had a bounce back year for himself. Going to be Mr. Saquon Barkley. Put that in the damn back there. Beckett certification and card on her. Beautiful Saquon Barkley. Of course, she is an authentic. Well, Jason finally getting on the board this series there, Jason. Well, actually, I think you did hit one other helmet, not a big boy, though. I might be mistaken, though, on that one. That might have been last series. But Jason finally getting on the board with a nice Barkley there. Barkley giving himself a very good season, man. It's going to be Jason's first hit. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. Click that thumbs up button, guys. Also, click the follow and subscribe tabs. Y'all have a good one.